More important than ideas, execution. Honestly, with that one, I'm kind of 50-50. I mean, when it comes to AAA, yeah, absolutely. When it comes to AAA, it's basically all execution. Yeah, High Guard, Concord, Marathon, Ashes of Creation, yeah. When it comes to the AAA side, definitely, absolutely. Execution matters most than everything because basically on the AAA side, marketing is kind of guaranteed. When it comes to the AAA side, you're already going to spend millions of dollars in order to get eyeballs, so people are definitely going to know about your game. So in that one, marketing is not the limiting factor, but rather it is execution. It is actually quality. So yeah, when it comes to AAA, I definitely agree. Execution matters most. But when it comes to the indie side, so in developers, which I'm guessing is mostly all of you, when it comes to that side, yeah, I would definitely say that ideas matter. I wouldn't necessarily say more because, again, like we saw, you definitely need to have good execution behind it in order to justify having success. If you just have excellent marketing but bad execution, you are not going to find a lot of success. You might get a lot of people trying your game, but if the execution is bad, they will refund your game and you won't actually find success in the end. So you obviously need to a balance of two. But when it comes to attracting attention, which is basically the biggest challenge nowadays, when it comes to doing that, then yeah, ideas I would say matter slightly more than execution. So on the indie side, I would value ideas a little bit higher than execution. And when it comes to AAA side, yeah, I would definitely value execution quite a bit more. So, but yeah, both those are definitely quite important. So yeah.